So in this video we're going to be updating our CentOS 7 installation, and then we're also going to check for any updates on our installation of ISPConfig 3. So ISPConfig 3 is what we use to host our websites when we're developing them. So we host them on our own internal servers until the site is built, and then we push them out to our production servers. So we've not done an update for a while, so what we want to do is to make sure that our CentOS 7 installation is updated, and then make sure that we're running the correct version of ISPConfig 3. So the first thing we want to do is we want to log on to our server. Let's just expand the window a bit. And then we want to su to root. And all there is to it is it's a very simple command. So we're going to use yum, we're going to say -y, and we're going to do update, and that will then go off and check all of the repositories, the correct versions in the repositories, match them against the local install versions, and then upgrade them if they need it. So as we can see there, 66 packages to install and update. As you can see there, ClamAV has updated, which is great. We use ClamAV for the virus protection and malware protection on our web server. So with all the dependencies, looks like there's a total of 132 packages, so we'll just let that all run through and update. Okay, so that's completed. So the next thing that we want to do is to check our version of ISPConfig and see if there's an update for that one. This is another nice simple command. So it's ISPConfig _ update.shell. So we want stable release, and we'll create a backup, and delete the obsolete files. Yes, yes, yes. Reconfigure the permissions in the master database. No, we don't want to do that. We don't want to enable a firewall because we're actually using the ISPConfig firewall, and we want to reconfigure the services. So that's postfix, dovecot, all the mail interfaces, the Mavis D, which is the spam filter. We'll keep the ISPConfig port. We don't want to create a new certificate, and we do want to reconfigure the cron tab. Takes a little while for the services to restart, such as HTTPD. Okay, that's it. Now what we want to do is we want to check and make sure that we can still access everything. So we want to do can ignore that, it's just a self-signed certificate. Yep. Make sure that all looks okay. Perfect. Monitor. Excellent. So that is all updated to the latest version. So that's both ISPConfig and the CentOS 7 operating system. If you've got any questions or you need to know how to do anything, then just leave us a comment in the description under the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.